Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a risk profile in Wealthfront step by step clearly. To set up a risk profile in Wealthfront, begin by logging into your Wealthfront account. Once logged in, navigate to the investment section on the main dashboard. Look for the option to create or edit your risk profile. Click on this option to initiate the risk assessment process. You will be presented with a series of questions designed to evaluate your financial goals and risk tolerance. Read each question carefully and select the response that best aligns with your personal investment strategy. The questions will cover various topics, including your investment timeline, financial goals, and ability to withstand market fluctuations. Take your time to think about your answers, as they will significantly impact your investment strategy. After completing the questionnaire, review your responses to ensure they reflect your true financial situation. Once you are satisfied with your answers, submit your risk profile. Wealthfront will analyze your responses and provide you with a recommended investment strategy based on your risk tolerance. This recommendation will detail the types of investments suited for your profile, such as stocks, bonds, or other assets. Take a moment to review the recommended allocation and ensure it aligns with your investment objectives. If you have any adjustments or preferences, you can modify the suggested allocations before finalizing. After making any changes, confirm your risk profile setup. Once confirmed, Wealthfront will use your risk profile to guide your investment decisions. You can revisit and update your risk profile anytime if your financial situation or goals change. With your risk profile established, you are now ready to begin investing with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.